In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Gmail. This is a useful skill that can enhance the visual appeal of your emails and make your communication more engaging. So, let's get started with this step-by-step guide. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type "How to embed video in Gmail." This is a great starting point because it will provide you with a variety of resources and methods to achieve video embedding. After clicking the search button, you'll see a list of results. Choose one that you find most helpful. Generally, it's a good idea to explore the top links, as they usually contain the most relevant information. Next, you'll want to get the video you'd like to embed. If it's a YouTube video, click to open it. Go to the video page, then click on the Share button found just below the video. You'll see various options to share the video. Look for the Embed option. Clicking on this will reveal an HTML code, which is essential for embedding the video into your email. Now copy that HTML code, but here's the thing. Gmail doesn't directly support embedding via HTML in its regular email composer. So we'll use a small trick. Open a Google Doc and in a new document, switch to HTML editing mode. Paste the HTML code you copied there. Afterward, go to Gmail and start composing a new email. While you're in the Gmail Compose window, write out your email message as you normally would. Once that's ready, switch over to your Google Doc with the embedded video code. Highlight the video preview, right-click it, and select Copy. Return to your Gmail window, and where you wish to insert the video, paste it in. You'll see a preview of the video appear within your email composition area. It's crucial to keep in mind that these steps often result in the video appearing as a clickable link or thumbnail, rather than a fully embedded player visible in the email. This is because Gmail prioritizes security and functionality across various email platforms that might not support full video previews. Before you hit send, it's always a good idea to test your email. Send it to yourself first to see how it appears on your device. Check on both desktop and mobile to ensure the video link or thumbnail functions properly. Testing allows you to make any necessary adjustments before sending it out to your intended recipient. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now spice up your emails with video content. This is especially useful for presentations, online tutorials, or any situation where a dynamic visual is more effective than text alone. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.